Good morning, I'm Dr. Deuk Laser with the Deuk Spine Institute. I'm here with one of my patients who has suffered with back pain, lower back pain, that was coming from 2 discs in his lower back, the number 3, 4, and 4, 5. And he underwent the Deuk Laser Disc Repair. Deuk Laser Disc Repair has been performed here at Deuk Spine Institute for almost 20 years. We've done over 2,650 Deuk Laser Disc Repair surgeries, and the cure rate for back pain coming from a disc is 99.6% with one treatment. And how do you feel today?
Fantastic. Walking up and down stairs is amazing. My equilibrium, it's coming back. I've been in pain, God, for a long time. And after you did the surgery, what a difference. What a difference. I feel that I can achieve a lot more now without this back pain. Bending, lifting, I'm doing things I used to do, working out soon. It's just amazing. It is. What a great feeling. I just can't tell you guys. He's a miracle worker. He did one for me, and I'm very, very grateful.
I appreciate you saying that, sir. The treatment is actually what is the miracle worker. It turns out that back pain like yours, which comes from a disc herniation, is coming from a tear in the back wall of the disc. And it's inflammation within that tear that causes so much pain for people. It's the #1 cause of chronic back pain. About 87% of patients with chronic back pain, it comes from the disc. And all you got to do is go in with a laser and a scope, find the tear, and use the laser to clean out the tear. It's called a debridement. And yes, I pioneered it here at Deuk Spine Institute. And now we've done over 2,650 surgeries with 99.6% elimination of back pain. So what's life going to be like now that your back pain is gone?
I get to do things that I haven't done in a long while. I love to ride my beach cruiser, my bicycle, all over the place. One of my favorite pastimes is working out, and I can't wait to start that all up again. Climbing stairs is amazing for me because I don't have to hold on to anything to walk step to step to step, even up and down. My life has changed back to where I feel younger again. Sky's the limit for me.
So the surgery helped the back pain go away, but it also helped your legs, it sounds like.
Absolutely. Everything is conjunction when your back is your main body of stability. You know, walking, riding bike, or sitting. The pain is pretty much gone. It is really gone. And I can't tell you how happy I am.
Is it gone because we gave you powerful pain medication to take today, or are you on any medication?
I am on no medication. They prescribed me some pain pills last night, and I did not take them. I'm a walking testimony that you don't need pain pills. It's not that bad. If you can tolerate a backache for just a little bit longer after the surgery that he did, you know, people say take Tylenol or ibuprofen. I haven't taken any of that. I'm letting it heal, and I'm letting the natures take its course. And it's just amazing. I don't know how many times I'm going to tell you it's amazing, but it really is.
It is an amazing surgery, and that's why it's so important that other people are aware of it, because surgeons and doctors that treat back pain are either saying, we don't know what's causing your pain, but we can do shots and pills and stimulators. These treatments don't work, and patients live in pain. If you know exactly where the pain's coming from, which is what we figured out for you and we do for other patients, we can go in and target that pain and permanently eliminate it so you can have a normal life without any pain medication. And our laser surgery is the only surgery on the spine that can be done without pain medication after surgery. About half the patients like you, they take no pain medication. The other half will take a muscle relaxer, just one pill that night of surgery, and that's it. There's no other medicine they take. And the pain is gone permanently for the rest of your life.
Yeah, I'm very grateful. And trust me, he is a miracle worker, and I believe in him. All the other doctors that I really went to, they're like, they want to touch and, attack my spine itself. And I'm like, no. I'll be 62 in 6 months. And the healing rate for a guy my age, your bones deteriorate as you get older. It's just nature. But I'm like, I found Dr. Deuk. He says, we're not going to do none of this. We're going to do it the way he's telling you. And I believe in him so bad because I'm a walking testimony of his work.
And I see a tattoo on your forearm there. You're a Florida native, is that right?
Correct.
So you're from Florida. You've
Yes.
lived here for 62 years.
Yes.
Tell me, since we're talking about the past for a moment, what was your life like before our surgery on your lower back?
I was limited to doing things. I couldn't climb scaffold. I couldn't normal day things. I couldn't crouch down to fix something where I worked. It was just a constant pain, no matter how I did it or sat. I could sit for a few minutes, but the pain would start coming right back. I could stand right back. My equilibrium would go way out and I'd have to hold on to something, but it's all gone. It's all gone. You guys, it's amazing.
And what was your mood like when you had pain every day? What was your mood like? I mean, did it affect your mood?
Yeah, it actually did, because as you get older, you're thinking, oh, my retirement years are coming. And having this back pain just put a huge damper on everything that I enjoy doing. I'm a native here, so I like walking the beach. That was very painful. It's a day after my surgery now, and I can't wait to walk on the beach again. It's my way of releasing stuff. I can't wait to get on my beach cruiser to drive around. I can't wait to start working out again. It's just things that I love doing. My back pain hindered everything. So I just basically sat because the pain was too excruciating. Every day between 0 and 10, it was a constant 7 to an 8. I mean, all day long. Nothing now. It's so good. What a great feeling. What a great feeling.
Congratulations, my friend.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Go out and enjoy life, but don't do too much too soon. Let things heal up, okay?
I won't.
All
I'm
right.
going to listen to everything you guys tell me to do and progressively get to do where I want to do again.
Good. Well, thanks for sharing your story with the world. We appreciate it. Go out and enjoy Florida like you have for most of your life.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.